Hey everybody, this is Lee from BaldThoughts, where we teach you how to travel more, spend less, and live better. Today we're reviewing a special edition Sprezzabox from Delta. So let's take a look and see what's in here and see what we have. So with any Sprezzabox, you're going to get a description of what's inside the box. So it says the Delta Box. We're excited to announce our partnership with Delta Airlines. We have joined forces to bring you a travel-inspired box with bold colors to elevate your style. And we all like to have nice style, right? Visit theguide.sprezzabox.com and check out our videos on how to style these products, the latest trends and tips and tricks, and how to be a gentleman. Or go through baldthoughts.com/Sprezzabox and get a nice little something for when you join. So they always give you little coupons. This one's from Harry's. Let's take a look inside. All right, so we open it up. And first off, you'll notice there's a nice looking tie right here in the Delta colors. Got the obviously focuses in red with the accents of white and blue. So take a look at this tie. That looked pretty nice. I can imagine wearing this with like a navy blue suit, or even if you have like a tan suit. You know, it's getting to be spring, things like that. So these colors would work really nicely. So we got that. Let's see what else we have. Check out these socks. Bold socks. These socks will definitely show some major style. Right here, got the distressed look with the white mixed in with the red. Nice and bold. Definitely making a statement at the office or out on a date. Let's see what else we have. So this here is Reviving Dry Serum with protein peptides, aloe, and hyaluronic acid. It says it's scented, so let's see what it smells like. Nope. Sealed, which is good, making sure that nobody's messing with your stuff. Get this open. Do not spill it. Ooh, got a nice, nice fragrance, kind of strong, masculine. Very good. Glad I didn't spill it when I opened it. And inside here, check this out. Passport holder, branded with Delta. You can see the Delta sign right there. Really cool. Definitely making a nice statement when you got your passport folded inside here, protected. So that's good. Aha! This is one of my favorite parts right here. It's a tie pin. That's an airplane. Let's open this bad boy up. So one of the things with a tie, as you're wearing them, you know, the wind kicks up, stuff like that. Next thing you know, you got the big portion of your tie hanging, and then you got a little portion hanging off to the side. Don't want that. So when you have the tie pin, clip it on just like so, and the little guy will not fly out. Fly. So anyways, tie pin, got the cool, show you your love of travel. That's real nice. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this one. And let's see what is the last portion here. So it says good for business should mean good for the world. Listen, meaning LSTN, uses proceeds from every purchase to give hearing aids across the globe through our charity partner, the Starkey Hearing Foundation. That's really cool. Whenever you can support businesses that give back to the community, they're giving back to people that are they're definitely more in need than us. And if you use the promo code, you get 15% off your purchase if you buy something else from Listen. Got a soft carrying case here and some headphones. You got nice nice wood trim on them, which is good. And you got your plug, so that way when you're at the flying in an airplane, you can use these instead of the standard cheapy ones that they give you that kind of hurt your ears, things like that. So that's really good, and it's good that it has a nice soft case that's durable. So you can put your headphones in there when you're not using them, and keep them from getting tangled up with all the other electronics, all the other cables, and everything like that that's inside your bag. So we'll put these bad boys back in here, cinch it up, bam, put that back in the bag. So Sprezzabox, 29 bucks. Not bad for a leather passport holder. Some really cool looking socks, the Delta tie, and the tie pin, and headphones. So for 29 bucks, that is a really good deal. So every month, if you sign up for Delta, if you sign up for the Sprezzabox, obviously the Delta one is more of a like a one-off type of situation. Maybe they'll have some more in the future, who knows? But with Delta, with the Sprezzabox, every month they'll send you a cool package in a box, just like this. And you're kind of surprised as far as what's going to come. They do send you an email ahead of time letting you know what's going to be in the box. But I like to be surprised. I just kind of ignore the emails and wait for the package, and that way I'm surprised when I'm opening it up. But if you like the Sprezzabox, go ahead and sign up for using my link baldthoughts.com/Sprezzabox. That's Sprezzabox, Sprezzabox, all lowercase, and you get a little extra goodies when you use my link. And obviously they hooked me up with a little bit for referring you. And if you like the video, go ahead and like it, comment, appreciate your comments, and share it with your friends. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good one, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.